turned over to the Archbishop, Bishop Palma. And upon arrival, this will be, I think this was already well described, the entire process, by Father Attorney Dan de los Angeles. There'll be just some checking of the panels. And I don't know how many days it will be there before we will bring it to Bolhoon. On the 21st of March, there'll be a mass that will be celebrated by the Archbishop himself. I will be attending that. And that is when the panels will be enshrined by Tawag or open back to the public. So that is the saga, the long story of the 4 panels. The parish has the 5th. The 6th one is still missing. So if you are going to carry this live, or if you will feature this in your various news programs, I hope that the owner will hear this and maybe think about doing the supreme act of sacrifice in order to complete the entire 6 panels covering the pulpit. He can always return it anonymously. Send it to the Cebu Provincial Capital if you like. Wrap it very well, send by LBC or by any courier, and we will thank you profusely for being one with our aim to give back to the Patrocinio de Maria Parish and the Bolhoon people what is really part and parcel, intrinsic to the heritage of